Hello, hello, viewers. We are at our mobile studio, AVIT channel, and this time my guest is.
Hi, I'm Dennis Timer from Midwich. We are a distributor which is acting worldwide, and I'm the business manager for the CE region in our company.
It's nice to see you here for the first time here in Krakow, and probably the Midwich, which you represent, Midwich brand, is for the first time in Poland, right?
Exactly, yeah. It's the first time we are in Poland to some degree. We have our sister company, the New Media AV. They have started since 2009, I think, to deal in Central Eastern Europe and also in Poland. We also have a colleague, Pavel, who's here with me today as well. He's our Polish sales guy for New Media, and they are also part of the Midwich group.
You are representing Midwich, the distributor. Could you give us more about this brand?
Yeah, definitely. We are a global distributor who is distributing in many countries around the globe, almost every country in Europe. Now we also want to expand into the CE region. And we are a global company who deals with global tenders as well. We help a lot of integrators who are acting worldwide to implement their solutions in every single market. We're able to do that organically. We can do it with different companies, and we are also a worldwide shipping company. So we can help with installation everywhere as well.
Do you have any plans to have warehouse or an office in Poland?
Yeah, definitely. We want to do it organically from Germany. Currently, we have our warehouse in Germany, and most of our expertise, like technical expertise, warehousing, RMA and stuff like that, we all have it in Germany. Next month, on the 1st of November, we will have our first sales guy, Polish sales guy. He is based in Warsaw. And from that going on in the midterm future, we will also start having a company here in the CE region. Naturally, as Polish is the biggest market, we would start in Poland with that. Would say in the next 2 to 3 years, we would be able to also have an office here in Poland.
So 1st of November.
As Midwich, we started on the 1st of July. We have a Polish sales guy who starts on the 1st of November.
What brands do you consider to have in your offer as Midwich here in Poland?
So as Kern & Stelly, we have around 60 brands. Of those 60, we are currently already having contracts with 13 brands as of right now, which we are allowed to sell in the CE region. For example, we have Sennheiser, we have Neat, we have Q, which is also a Polish vendor. For example, they do room booking, and we have everything from Connect Signage to Adlona is also one of our vendors. And we plan on broadening that portfolio with all the guys we have from Kern & Stelly as well. Year after year, week after week, month after month, we will implement more of them, and we are in active talks with some more vendors that we want to onboard for the whole CE region, but naturally also for Poland.
Some of those brands which you mentioned are still here in Poland. They're well known, and they have the local distributors too. Don't you afraid of it?
We're not afraid. We like the challenge. Naturally, we have to show the Polish people and also the people in the CE region why they should choose the Midwich Group, what is the advantage of working with us. And one big advantage we have is the one-stop shopping experience. You can get everything from us. There's not a lot of distributors, also local ones, that have Sennheiser, Neat, all the different vendors I mentioned. We are one of the only ones that have all of them on offer. So you can get everything from our hand. It would be easier logistically. Naturally also be cheaper than to get it from 6 different places. You would need to spend less time thinking about, okay, where do I get the products from? And also installation services and also pre-sales would be easier to get it all from one guy.
You are full of energy. I don't afraid your start will be very expensive and successful, probably. But the last question, explain it again, please.
Yeah.
When do you plan start officially operations as Midwich in Poland, and where will be situated your office?
So officially we started on the 1st of July with distribution in the whole CE region, not just Poland, but as you mentioned, mainly Poland as well. We will have a sales guy. He will not have an office. He will be mobile. So we have home office, and we plan on maybe next year, maybe the year after, to start implementing an office, which will also naturally depend on how successful we can be in the market. As you just mentioned, we're very energetic and hope we can be very successful in the market, and we also believe that we can, because we believe in our offering and in our people, and we can get real advantages for all the guys in Poland as well. So we are very confident that in the next 1 or 2 years we will also have an office here in Poland.
Thank you, Dennis. My guest was Dennis Timmer from Midwich.